Hi besties, good to have you here once again. So today we're gonna be doing a very quick and easy style. Like this style, you don't need to be a hairstylist to do this. Like every mom should know how to do this. If you are not following our page, please follow our page or subscribe to our channel. Share this video and give it a like. Thank you very much. We are halfway done already. Like this hair is very quick. I made this hair in less than 20 minutes. Yes, we did this video less than 20 minutes with all the all the headache. Kids now, the way they behave when you are making their hair, still it was very, very fast. It's a very quick one. So what do you think about the hair? Leave your comments in the comment section. Will you be recreating this on your baby girl's hair? Let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to mention where you are watching us from. So this ponytail that I used, I made it myself. If you want me to make a video on how I made this ponytail, just mention at the comment section and I will be very glad to make that video. So this is the final look. My baby girl is looking pretty. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.